I am Snorre and I live and ride in Oslo, Norway. I ride mostly in a big forest area outside of the city called Nordmarka, which is a big forest area with a lot of gravel roads, pristine gravel roads, several hundred of k's. But on occasion I also ride different kind of events. So it's been a while since I made or uploaded a video, and there's a couple of reasons for that. Let's say that the season hasn't gone as planned, but I'll talk more to you about that a bit later in this video. Now I am out on a ride and please come along. My biggest planned event for this season was Gravelbird. It's taking place in Portugal in May. And I wanted to make a video sharing my experiences from this event, but this didn't turn out quite as expected. I went to this event with a fellow YouTuber, Martin Overweg, and I was looking forward to a great event, but sadly I had to scratch on the third day due to sickness. The event started off just fine and I had quite a good pace the first day, averaging 20 k's an hour, and me and Martin called the day after 178 k's and 2,800 meters of climbing to avoid riding some sketchy terrain at night in the dark. We had a late night dinner at the only restaurant open in a small village and spent the night in a lavadero. The next day we started riding again at 0500 and rode through an old mining area which was spectacular, continuing towards the Spanish border and checkpoint 1, with a plan to stop in the town of Mertola to have something to eat and stock up on supply for the rest of the day. During the day I started to feel nauseous and I struggled to eat and drink, and this should only going to get worse. I tried to eat and drink often and little, but eventually everything I tried to put in me came up again, meaning that my energy storage got depleted and that I also got a bit dehydrated. I tried to push on, but the fatigue slowed me down and I had to get off the bike as soon as there was a bit of incline, and after 133 k's and 3,200 meters of climbing, I had to stop for the day. We got to spend the night in a school building in the small village of São Bernabé, and we even got a nice shower before we went to bed, hoping for a better day the next day. I woke up the next morning feeling a bit better after some hours of sleep, but I was still a bit nauseous and my energy level was at 0, so I decided to scratch and try to get back to the start. As you probably could see from the footage you just saw, I have got myself a new camera assistant, so I can get more interesting angles and perspectives from my riding. I have actually bought a Hover X1 Pro self-flying drone, and I haven't used it too much, so I have a lot to learn, and hopefully this will make me able to create some more interesting and good content in coming videos on this channel. Well, as my GoPro got stolen at a gravel event in Portugal, I had to buy myself a new action cam as well. And this time I went for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and not the GoPro. And I hope that this camera will also gives better quality, and in addition I have bought a Boya mini wireless microphone, which I have attached to the camera right now. Hopefully that will give a better sound quality as well in future videos. My plan for upcoming videos is, in addition to make a video of the Northeast Gravel event, I'll make a couple of videos of my gravel bike setup. One of the bike itself and one video of my bike packing / ultra event setup. And then I'll make a video of, I'll make a, what's it called, a bike build video, as I now have all the parts for a new road bike. And this is going to be a budget kind of bike build, hopefully. So if this is of any interest for you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And if you have any thoughts or questions, I will be more than happy to answer them in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.